Hello, hello, hello. Hello, welcome back to the today's stream. I think it's audible now. So, stream start हो गई है. So, welcome. Today is 17th of June and this is the day 3 of stream. Today it takes a lot of time to stream because there are what is this happening? So, today things are taking time because I was setting up like thumbnail, proper title, descriptions, and some of the few settings that I have seen for. So, welcome in this today's stream. So, here today we are going to discuss the today's agendas like we will today set up OBS and its configuration for stream, and then like stream testing. And today the live chat is enabled. We will test about that, and after that there will be like some chit chat session. So in which I'll told that why I'm starting streams and in the last few days why I am just start loving it like to stream. So initially I was thinking that it's very easy. It's like zero effort in doing this, but there are some considerable amount of time that is taking in the stream. Let's start with like I'm sharing with you my screen, and so first of all we are going to sharing the OBS. So before that let's check it out once that whether my channel whether it's going live stream or not. So for that I'll open YouTube from another account and let's check. This is, yeah, I can see. Yeah, the दिख रहा है. I can see the live stream is going on. The title is setting OBS, setting up OBS for YouTube live plus open chat. Day 3 live stream. It's going live. There is some delay. अच्छा ये थोड़ा पीछे है. Let me clear this. Yeah, live stream is going on. The title is setting OBS, setting up OBS for YouTube live plus open chat. Day 3 live stream. It's going live. Okay, मैं तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ. Clear this. Live stream is going on. The title is setting OBS, setting up OBS for YouTube live plus open chat. Day 3 live stream. It's going live. Okay, मैं तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ. Clear this. Yeah, live stream is going on. The title is setting OBS, setting up OBS for YouTube live plus open chat. Day 3 live stream. It's going live. ओके. अच्छा इस पे मैंने इनकॉग्निटो में खोला है, सो आई कांट सी इवन एनी चैट. आई कांट डू एनी चैट. द रिसेंट चैट दैट आई हैव डन बाय माय सेल्फ इज लाइक विजिबल. सो आई गो टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल and I'll stream put some another chat section. So I think you are already able to see my like you are already watching it now. So let's go to YouTube and by just signing on from another account I'll put some chat and see whether it's okay. Let's go for using the another browser. Currently I'm not showing. After just cross verifying this whether the chat is going on or not, I'll show you my screen and then you can. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is going on. I just start whether the chat is going on or not.
I just
I'll show
started.
you.
It's live. There is chat. Hi from. Let's say this account is like Iron Man. Let's say hi from Chandigarh. Currently, I'm in Chandigarh. Hi from Chandigarh. Let's put some emojis in it. Then I'll check that whether it's going on. Oh, there are some amazing new emojis. Okay, so hi from Chandigarh. After putting this chat, I'll check on my. Yeah, they are emojis reaction as well. Nice. Oh no. Okay. One watching live, which is I am myself. Here I have put it the link, but those links are not visible as a link. Okay, let me share my screen with you. My screen. Iron Man. Let's say hi from Chandigarh. Links are not visible as a link. Okay, let me share my screen with you. These links are just visible as a text, so I think I need to do something about this. Like I don't know what's an issue. Iron Man. Let's say hi from Chandigarh. Links are not visible as a link. Okay, let me share my screen with you. These links are just visible as a text, so I think I need to do something about this. Like I don't know what's an issue. Iron Man. Let's say hi from Chandigarh. Links are not visible as a link. Okay, let me share my screen with you. ये कुछ नया ही मैट्रिक्स है. These links are just visible as a text, so I think I need to do something about this. Like I don't know what's an issue. बंद करो. ये confusion हो रहा होगा तुमको. ये ऑडियो बंद करते हैं. एंड सो अच्छा, ऑब्वियस सेटअप करने के लिए, ऑब्वियस के लिए कल मैंने देखा था, तो ऑब्वियस में कल ये था कि लाइक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी क्लोज दिस. ओके, सो ओबीएस सेटअप करने के लिए व्हेन आई हैव सीन लाइक आई वांट टू डू स्ट्रीम इन विच आई कैन पुट लाइक इमेजेस, some sounds in it, and after my putting my sounds in it and putting my photo in a specific corner, so these are things that I want to do. And so for that, let me share my screen. Okay, so I'll tell you basically for that. Obvious there are some like sources, like putting an image is a source, putting in like video is a source. So there are sources and there are group of sources. I want to build my setup is something like where, so that I can stream just like those two guys who does on like their YouTube stream. So let me share my specifically display capture browser window capture. Okay, YouTube. Okay,
Okay, so this is something that I want to show you. Window capture, no. I want to keep the window capture on the full, and for the okay, so this is my screen that you can see display capture. It's on the top. Then my phone camera, properties, configure video. What is this? How to short my image size? What? Okay, now let's delete the camera. Okay, so I'm शायद मैं बोर कर रहा हूँ but actually the issue was like that I want to show you that in my stream what kind of output I want, so that you get to know more about it. So as you can see, the tvpn is everyday news streaming platform by two guys, and they are doing pretty good job. So I want to do some kind of tech setup for that, so in which we will go and do the stream. So first of all, I'll show you like that how does their things look like. So I want to do some kind of tech setup for that, so in which we will go and do the stream. So oh my god, we have already done 8 minutes of stream. Okay, uh so the tvpn basically, so I'll show you the website of these guys. tvpn is TVPN is basically like a technology daily show, weekdays 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay. So these guys are doing some pretty good job in terms of in terms of they daily do broadcast and share the technology news. But the thing about today's agenda is I want to show you that how does they stream, how does their setup look like of a proper news channel. So if you see here, if let's open their channel. uh, First of all, they post many videos related to technology, and they post many videos related to technology, and they also post shorts, and these all are things are driven and from like driven from their streaming content itself. So here my agenda as well, so we will create a new page there, we will discuss the tech news, And after doing some setup of the live streaming, we will also do live streaming on my this account as well. So don't worry, this current account streaming is not going anywhere. And there is one more thing. It's not just about these streaming. These are the second priority based on this channel. So in this channel there are many interesting content related to tech, my technology, the thing that I am doing, like related to code and all, will be also be done. And some of the fun fact, the gaming content would also be about to come. I'll show you one of my like gadget that I have brought with me. This is this. So I'll play some games on my laptop, and this is the gaming remote that I have bought. This is a very good quality. Like I can attach my phone here. I have done COD gaming as well. So, and after some time, I'll install some setup in my Windows as well and do some gaming live stream. So this is all other tough stuff. So about today's here is like these guys. Okay, so come back to the like uh live stream. Oh, these guys are just doing live stream right now.
As of a stick of gum.
This live stream is currently going on. Look at them, like how does the things are going on. I think it's audible to you. Let me cross check. Guys.
Basically, and you could strap it to the front of a Oculus Rift, and it would track your hands while you were in VR. That company, at one point, sold to Apple almost, and then got rolled back, and then sold to another company, and raised a bunch of money, and then David ran it all up again with Midjourney. It's a great story. Anyway, I love the Midjourney story, but I'm very excited.
Back to specs.
Back to specs. Are guys who golf every other weekend in the summer really going to drop over 2K Rift, and so they can put on their pair of specs just when they need to see how many yards they are from the pin? At one point, sold to a lot of golfers do have disposable income. The price tag might not be the issue. The question is, does this look cool on a golf course? Is this something that has like badge value in the dream story? But I'm very excited
back
about
to
yards they are from the pin. At one point, sold to a lot of golfers do have disposable. A great brand. It feels like to make it
killer use case. No, I'm just saying. I'm saying like that's a cool use case. You're trying to understand how a piece of furniture is going to fit into your room. I don't.
Yeah.
I do that
mentally
when I'm doing
you do it in your
like if I'm doing an interior design project. I might need that, but that's like a specific moment in time.
Yeah.
Maybe once every couple years at most.
Yeah.
For a lot of people,
Is there you have
I feel like
you know,
some people are kind of constantly adding furniture here and there, but a lot of people. No, I'm just saying. I'm saying like that's a cool use case. You're trying to understand how a piece of furniture is going to fit into your room. I don't.
Yeah.
I do that. Kind of you.
Glasses. Yeah, these are pretty bulky here.
So
We can share this in the chat here. Boom. Pull those up.
Let's
Let's continue. So you can buy rangefinders for around $150. They're not fragile. Also,
okay, now let's I have muted that. So as you can see, there are like a branding of like their brand. They are talking, doing discussion. There are some live stock market carousel are going on. There are like branding, some text, this information they are changing like. But let me show you from the start. Initially it's started with the like some audio, the beginning sound. Listen, and actually this sound is very interesting.
shuttle has lost your position.
Overnight success.
For the whole 4.5 minutes, this music will be keep playing. Look at the details, how interesting, like the graphics and all. That's very, and it's like a portfolio they are showing, like how many great guests are on their side. I am forwarding it to show you that how do they like break the ice initially and the start. Now check this.
You're
watching TVPN.
Today is Wednesday, June 17th, 2026. We're watching the TVPN and Temple Technology, the fortress of finance, the capital of capital. Let me tell you about ramp.com. Time is money, save both. Easy to use corporate cards, bill pay, account, and a whole lot more all in one place. Technology, the fortress of finance, the capital of capital.
This is how they promote their brand and their sponsors.
Cards, bill pay, accounting, and a whole lot more all in one place.
Big show today.
Big show today. Lots of guests coming on. We got newcomer coming on. Mark Gurman's coming on. Carter.
This is how they show there are guests. It's not totally like 100% like tech or news space. They also share like it's not the everyday routine is not repetitive, like every day is not just like they're just keep telling actually these guys are very opinionated. Along with the sharing and reading the news, they put their opinions because these guys are some of the Silicon Valley top founders who build many successful businesses. So even their opinions are very valuable. They knew the market from a very long time, and everyday routine is not same. So here they are showing like what kind of guest, how many guests are coming, and you can see all of these guests are co-founders, managing editor, co-founders, CEOs, these kind of people. Like if you look at Eric Newcomer, he's the founder writer Newcomer, and the Thomas Sors, founder and CTO and CEO of Raven Resonance, Mark Gurman, managing editor Bloomberg. So these are the very big personality. And if you look at like uh, here, you can look at the branding. The live stock market is going on. The thing is, and there are the brands. I think they are acquired, not acquired. They are like sponsoring this. So it's very good.
The door, right?
Yeah, and it's interesting because.
And one of the more interesting thing is like that it's not the fixed setup when they are like explaining something. Uh, Camera thing, it's not necessary to do right now because I am a single person. How can I manage such a big thing? So whenever any one of them can explain anything, these bottom footers will get removed. This is the way of showing some content. Here you can see both of the host are right and left, and in between they are showing the content. So this thing is will be also be added. So what I'm thinking is we will use the scene feature of OBS, and wow.
Effect should be early acquiring a lot for that. Well, Snapchat classes dollars basically. thick. It's a little heavy. There's a battery back there, probably disposable income. The price tag might
again
glasses was
$2,000 is my current. No, you unless you're.
I'm not getting that example right now, but I am quite confused that whether what is the things related to copyright. What is the copyright thing? Let me search it. Then on YouTube. Oh, it can cause some copyright to me. But I've shown it. Right now, I am currently researching, like searching what would happen if I just show out now. I am going into live stream and I have already shared my पंगा हो गया भाई साहब।
Mentally.
When I'm doing
Mentally.
when I'm doing
Mentally.
when I'm doing
Mentally.
when I'm
What should I do now? End the stream. I have already stopped. Okay, let me share you what I am. So this is, I am searching right now. I have already stopped showing. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि कॉपीराइट आ सकता है क्योंकि मैंने टीवी पे इनकी सारी वीडियो प्रॉपरली दिखा दी थी। सो आई एम लर्निंग गाइस, you do not necessarily need to end the stream since you are already stopped showing the video. To this continue the stream, click audio OBS option, keep streaming for never. Talk about your OBS setup, check audio quality, answer chat messages, and stream normally. Okay, so basically they are saying is keep doing, continue with the video, and keep continue doing the video. And I don't
doing
Don't need to worry right now because it was temporarily shown and I have ended this because majority of the time I was discussing about like YouTube streaming. So that's already fine. How many times? Okay, so there are, I am sharing that there are scenes. So I have already shown you that how I need to create scenes. So I know this stream is going pretty messy, but the main thing that we are going to decide today is like what are the things that we need to do to make streams like this and properly understand the stream, all the stream features. So first I am sharing my screen and I'll show you like what are the so here I am going to write down what are the things we prior need before setting the OBS for like the live stream for like there is tech media as a like before streaming the news. What are the things that we pre-required for tech news? The name I already know the name. What should be the name? First thing is logo. Logo is required. Second thing, theme color. Third thing, one video before the stream starts and the one video when the stream ends. Start stream clip. It's a kind of welcome clip. Stream welcome clip. Stream ending clip. And even before these things, I need footer for media. Footer, theme color, logo हो गया, footer, and then text मिल जाएगा, prompt, and one more thing I am missing. I just slipped from my mind.
which is what is the one more thing that is missing? I am
अच्छा भी याद आया टेक्स्ट कराओगे ये टेक्स्ट इसलिए होगा जो कि न्यूज़ के फुटर में जो कंटिन्यूस चलता होता है वो वाली चीज़ें आफ्टर सीन्स कौन कौन से सीन्स बनाने होंगे अभी मैंने दिखाया था ना कि जब वो बोलता है तब फुटर हट जाता है इनिशियली सिर्फ उनका चेहरा दिखता है और समटाइम्स देन व्हेन दे वांट टू शो द कंटेंट तब चीज़ें अलग दिखती है सो दोज थिंग्स विल आल्सो बी रिफ्लेक्टेड सो सीन्स वन थिंग इज when footer plus logo plus time and date footer logo time and date and camera visual all previous plus content as well and then सबसे ऊपर वाला है जिसमें मैं देखूंगा लोगो टाइम डेट कैमरा ये सारी चीज़ें दिखेंगी और सिर्फ यही और जो सेकंड नंबर वाला है जिसमें ये ऊपर वाली सारी चीज़ दिखेंगी बट उसमें कंटेंट ऐड हो जाएगा और जो थर्ड वाला है व्हेन when I am describing about some things, then I don't need like a footer and all and time and accuracy. So there will be only host and the logo. Only logo plus host. So these things are required. So basically these things required or based on this I will create 3 scenes. It's all like that. I also have to think like apart from the scenes how to show videos content show videos and study copyright issue. So these are the things that I required. So thank you. I think that's all for today's streaming. We have not so productive but आज की चीज़ों में तो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हो गई हैं मतलब कुछ और आइडिया लगा कि कौन कौन चीज़ें हो सकती हैं टाइटल डिस्क्रिप्शन थंबनेल इन चीज़ों पे काम किया एक बेसिक फ्लो बन गया है अपने जो कल को चैट्स नहीं आ रही थी चैट वाली चीज़ हो गई है ओबीएस से प्रॉपर स्ट्रीम हो रहा है एंड आई थिंक I think audio is properly going on. So OBS is doing pretty good job. And even I can see that what is streaming on chats and all are the things. There is one more thing which is recording thing in the OBS. सो जैसे मेरी स्ट्रीम चलती है उसके साथ साथ स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग हो जाएगी तो मैं उस क्लिप का यूज़ करके जो मेरे शॉर्ट्स कंटेंट है वो भी चीज़ बना सकता हूँ सो दिस इज़ वर्थ शोइंग और I can share that content to like shorts and YouTube videos, Instagram reels as well. So सारी चीज़ें प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट तो करनी ही पड़ेगा बट दैट्स these things are pretty good guys and thank you if you are watching this live stream. I am very thankful for you and in the upcoming days there are many things that are lined up and I'll keep these things continuously, consistently. So I am going to do like many things. So before proceeding further, I'll share tomorrow about the tomorrow's topic. Apart from doing all this thing, would be like about that what's my profession, what are the things that I get to know, and something like chit chat, so that you that get to know like what we are doing, why we are here on the live stream as well. So these are the things will be get discussed. So that's all for today's guys. It's thank you. Have a good night.